The arrest of Morara Kebaso, a well-known lawyer and activist, has ignited widespread concern and debate over civil liberties and government accountability in Kenya. Kebaso was taken into custody on September 30th, shortly after he publicly condemned the abduction and torture of Bruce John, a blogger based in Mombasa, during a press conference. This event raises questions about the reasons behind his arrest and its impact on freedom of expression in the country. Context of the arrest: Kebaso was arrested at his office in Kahawa Sukari, Nairobi, following a raid by individuals believed to be police officers. Witnesses reported the use of a Subaru Forester during the incident, which many have described as an abduction rather than a lawful arrest. His legal team stated that they were denied access to him at the Nairobi regional headquarters, with higher authorities reportedly ordering restrictions on visits from lawyers and media personnel. This lack of transparency has led to public outcry and speculation about the motives for his detention. Just hours before his arrest, Kebaso had used social media to criticize the harsh treatment of Bruce John, who was allegedly abducted by a group claiming to represent the Mombasa governor. Kebaso's statements included demands for accountability from law enforcement and a call for action against the governor, which may have escalated tensions leading to his own detention. Public reaction. The public reaction to Kebaso's arrest has been immediate and intense. Many Kenyans have taken to social media, using hashtags like #FreeMorara to show solidarity with him and condemn what they perceive as state-sponsored repression of dissenting voices. Prominent activists and organizations have echoed these sentiments, viewing Kebaso's situation as part of a larger pattern of suppressing political opposition and freedom of speech in Kenya. Kebaso's activism has centered on exposing government inefficiencies and corruption, particularly concerning stalled development projects. His recent efforts included civic education rallies aimed at holding officials accountable for their shortcomings. The timing of his arrest, right after his criticism of governmental abuses, suggests it may be a retaliatory act for his outspoken views. Implications for civil liberties. The circumstances of Kebaso's detention raise significant concerns about the state of civil liberties in Kenya. The apparent use of police power to silence dissenters poses risks not only to individual activists, but also to democratic governance as a whole. Such actions can create a chilling effect on free speech, discouraging citizens from expressing their concerns about governance and accountability. Kebaso's case highlights broader issues within Kenyan society regarding law enforcement practices and government accountability. The denial of legal representation during his detention further complicates the situation, as it undermines fundamental rights guaranteed under Kenyan law. Conclusion. Morara Kebaso's arrest underscores urgent concerns about civil liberties in Kenya, especially in light of his recent activism against government corruption and abuse. As public outcry continues to grow, it is crucial for civil society organizations and international observers to closely monitor the situation. The implications of this incident extend beyond Kebaso himself. They touch on the essential principles of free expression and governmental accountability that are vital for any functioning democracy.